After traveling thousands of miles across North America without washing the RV, it really started to show, and I had to consider how I'd go about washing an RV for the first time in my life. I thought to myself, wouldn't it be nice if there was a telescoping brush that also dispensed water? That sure would make this job a lot easier to deal with. And what a coincidence! It didn't take long for me to find the Camco RV Flow-Through wash brush. The premise of this brush is simple. At the base of it, it has a hookup for a garden hose, as well as an on-off valve for the water. This allows you to have an on-demand supply of water, which is handy for getting water into hard-to-reach places, while agitating the dirt at the same time. I decided to start with the roof, and I took a moment to plan everything out because I didn't want to put myself in a situation where I forgot something, like turning the water on down below. A convenient thing about the brush is that the valve is removable, so I attached it to my garden hose, kept it in the off position, and then turned on the water spigot. I took with me an empty 5-gallon bucket, the Camco brush, the garden hose, and a container of... Meguiar's... Excuse me for a moment. Meguiar's car wash shampoo. First, I just brushed all the biggest debris off of the roof, as well as the fully extended awning. The telescoping feature was really handy for extending my reach. Then, I measured out some shampoo into the bucket and filled it with water. This is a 200 IQ strategy, so you're not lugging a heavy water pail up a ladder. I dunked the brush into the bucket and started with the awnings, using the water valve to wash the suds off. Then I worked front to back, repeating a cycle of sudsing, rinsing, and avoiding walking where I just cleaned until the roof was clean. From here, I continued cleaning the rest of the RV using my sudsy bucket in combination with a regular hose nozzle. Conveniently, the brush also has a squeegee, which I used to dry the windows with. For some parts of the cleaning, I did have to use a smaller brush with firmer bristles, as well as a sponge for some really stubborn dirt stuck on the regular paint portion of the RV. And here is the glamorous end result. 8 months of grime gone in a little over 2 hours, which is great considering how much there was to clean. All in all, I can say that the Camco brush is a well thought out cleaning tool that makes cleaning an RV considerably easier as well as more efficient. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll leave some links in the description. Until next time, thank you for watching.